In this video, we'll review how to take bulk actions when working with multiple citations, lists, or search results. To begin, there are two easy ways to select multiple citations. The first is to click within the small gray box to the right of any citation you are interested in. This will put a check mark in the box, and any citation with a check mark next to it is selected. To deselect, simply click the box again and the check mark will be removed. The second way to select multiple citations is to click in the box of the first citation you are interested in, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding Shift, click the last citation you are interested in. This will highlight every citation between the first and last that you clicked. You can then use the three-dot icon next to any of the selected citations to move those citations to a different list, copy them to a different list, print them, copy them to your clipboard. You can also quickly select all of the citations in your whole list. To deselect citations that are highlighted, simply click in any white area outside of the citation area. Similar functionality will work in the Study Tools panel. For example, if you were interested in everywhere the word perfect appeared in the Gospels, you could quickly move all of the search results from the Gospels to a list using these multiple citation selection features. To do this, simply expand the books you are interested in. You could then check the boxes next to the citations of interest one by one, or you could place a check in the first search result, scroll down, and continue to expand the books within the Gospels. When you get to the last search result in the Gospels, you can hold down the Shift key, click within the gray box next to that last citation, and you can then use the three-dot menu next to any of the selected citations to move these citations to a list that you've already created, or to add them to a new list. I'm going to title this list Perfect and click Save. All the citations will be automatically added to my new list. If I was interested in rearranging these citations, I could move all of the passages from Luke to the top of this list by clicking the checkbox next to the first citation in Luke, holding down Shift, clicking the checkbox for the last citation, and then using the 9-dot icon to drag and drop all of these citations to the top of my list. This same drag and drop feature will work within the Lists Manager. For example, if I wanted to quickly move the lists Perfect, Recently Viewed, and Joy to my folder Sunday Scripturals, I could do that by selecting them all and then grabbing, dragging, and dropping all three lists in the folder Sunday Scripturals. To review, there are two easy ways to select multiple citations, lists, or search results. You can check individual checkboxes, or, after having checked one checkbox, hold down the Shift key, and while holding Shift, click a second to highlight every item in between. Thanks for watching this short video.